Now we compile the beans and add in the GUI. Okay, how to do that? Let's see. To compile it, we go here. Okay, open this root.java or db.java or whatever. Then we run, go to run and clean and build the project. So this is done. Now we have beans available. Where are beans? If we see here, then we have here crude bean, this crude bean, and we have disk, we have crude bean.jar and crude bean, and we have these classes available. Okay, these are available now, all the classes are available. Now we open the crude client, and we open the crude client and we open crude form, and here we add the jar file. Right click, go to palette manager, add from jar, from NetBeans projects we have crude bean and we have disk and we have crude bean here. Now we next and we add these all, select all and add in the beans, select beans and finish. Now these are available in the beans. If we go here and see, so there are two, we should remove these. Okay, we should remove these, remove these. Now we add from the jar, right? Because there are a lot of beans available, we could not find the what we have created. So now this is the crude bean, we should add it. We should select all these next, and we should put inside the beans, finish. We should close this. If you see, these are available. Now we drag this and put into this. Okay, now for the delete, we have to drag this and put into this. For the insert we have to drag this and insert here. For update we have to drag this and insert here. For the view we have to drag this and insert in the form. Now these are available. If you go to source, you can see these are available. These all are available. Okay, so this is update 1, this is update 1 available, update available, we have view available, we have this db1 available. Okay, insert is not available. Why? We should add insert. We should go to design and add insert. Insert and delete. Now go to source and see view is available, update is available. We have delete and insert available now, and DB available. So these are the beans we have created, and now we see how we can implement the functions inside these add, update, delete and view all and search. Okay, now we see how to do that.